In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in WordPress. We'll build a clean, functional contact form using the WordPress editor, place it exactly where you want it on your page, fine-tune its layout so it looks polished, and then make it live. Let's get started. Open your site in WordPress and head into the site editor for the page where you want the form to appear. Once the page loads, click directly on the section where you want the form to live. This could be a contact page, a landing section, or even the footer area, anywhere that makes sense for your visitors. Now add a new block. Click the plus icon to open the block inserter, and in the search bar type Form. You'll see the form block appear in the results. Click the form block to insert it into the spot you selected. This drops a basic form onto the page. To speed things up and get a more polished design, open the Patterns tab. In the block inserter, switch over to Block Patterns. Here you'll find pre-designed layouts that include contact forms. Browse the options, and when you see a contact form layout that matches your style, click it to insert it. If you see multiple highlighted choices or variations, pick the one with the fields and structure you prefer. Something simple like name, email, message usually works best. With the form in place, make sure the outer group or container is selected, then adjust its layout so it scales nicely across screens. In the sidebar settings, set the width to max 1440 px wide. This keeps your content from stretching too far on large displays, while still looking great on tablets and phones. Continue refining by selecting the parts of the form you want to customize. Click into the headings, field labels, and the Submit button to update the text so it matches your tone. Clear labels help visitors complete the form without confusion. While you're here, you can tweak alignment, spacing, and color within the pattern so it fits your site's design. Small changes like consistent padding and a concise button label make the form feel professional. When everything looks good, click Save to commit your changes. Review the summary, then confirm the save. Finally, click Launch to publish your updates so visitors can see and use the form on your live site. That's it. Your contact form is now in place. Keep your labels short, your layout tidy, and your width capped for a clean, accessible design. If your site sends form submissions to your admin email by default, watch for new messages rolling in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new WordPress